Golf swing got you down? Try these top flight golfing tips. Golf can be a very enjoyable and relaxing sport that anyone can enjoy playing. However, for a beginner, that golf club can be a very intimidating piece of equipment to handle. So, what should a novice do to learn how to use it? Well, read the tips below, of course. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you properly protect your skin while on the course. This is important because oftentimes you will be out there for multiple hours without any shade. Getting a sunburn can do anything from cause minor discomfort, to ruining a vacation, to even more serious issues such as skin cancer. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is store your clubs where is it safe. Never leave your golf clubs in your automobile overnight, if you do not park it in a secure garage. Many thieves know that people tend to keep clubs in their back seat or trunk and will target you. Golf is a matter of patience and focus. You really need to take your time in understanding where you are on the course, choosing your club and setting up your shot. Trying to rush through things will only result in a sloppy shot and higher scores. Keep yourself focused and block out others around you. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you do what you do in practice on the course. This is critical because good practice will result in good play and vice versa. If you fool around during practice, then you will only hurt your form. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you are a positive role model on the course when it comes to sportsmanship. This will say a lot about your character and help to build up the relationship with whoever you are playing with. Never let competitiveness get in the way of friendship. If you need to make a longer than normal bunker shot, try taking a 9-iron instead of a sand wedge. By taking a 9-iron, you increase the distance you are able to carry the ball out of the sand and decrease the likelihood that you will scull the ball by taking a sand wedge and swinging too hard. Now you should be able to see why golf can be such an enjoyable sport to participate in. There is so much fun and relaxation to be had as one tries to put the golf ball into the hole. With these tips in mind, you can start putting like a pro. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.